Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of an Omga Tr2 12-inch double miter saw. If you have questions about pricing, availability, or if you have surplus machines you'd like to sell, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Also remember that all of our machines are located right here in Naperville, Illinois, and that we do not broker tools to ensure quality. We are also processing anywhere from 40 to 50 additional machines, so check back often as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and tested. This is an Omga Tr2 12-inch double miter saw. Some miter saws index from one saw, meaning that one saw is fixed and the saw usually moves to the right. On this particular model, both saws move from the center out. Minimum centers between those saws, 8.5 inches, max 110.5 inches. Both saws will miter both left or right and have positive stops at 45 degrees. As you can hear, it stops. At 0 and 45 degrees in both directions. The motors are 2.2 horsepower, 234 60 volt, currently wired 230 volts. Go ahead and turn those on. Quiet running, no bearing issues. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.